guys, welcome back to my channel. Kasi kamasok na ako ng ibaro. Kano ka ding itynnad ka jaka guys. Matangi mo ulit kaya po celebration key. It's a beautiful island guys. Kadiga private island sa company Carnival. Nang na po jaka na po ship sa tiga jaka bangin lake kan na ship po tang sun 4 minute. Guys ngit siya pait kalong kumno ka tiga jaka. It's the beautiful guys. Kaniga sliding. Sto milaban let jingi. Kano kajing itynnad sini silyang rong idan. Milaban let jingi balet som kano kajing itynnad ka jaka guys. Island guys, you can see here. That is our ship. Jaka basketball rodon laban nyelekai. Kano kajing itynnad ka jaka guys. Ketika ke food hall ngira ban ba mang teh mimla ban enjoy ke lunch kan jing shit kasngi tang ba kal air gadan ka kampenga di. So it was a beautiful island guys. From here you can see our ship. It's a beautiful island. Guys, today we are outside. So you can see this is our ship Carnival. Tangkat tu ngiha banalit pa no guys, ngi siya makawi pa ka videos. Bye.